ano, malaki kasi yung hacienda namin. Hindi na namin. Hindi na kayo makakalibot. Hindi na namin kayo malalibot. Kasi madami pa kaming buildings. Madami pa kaming buildings na ano, mga
Malilibot kita sa may SBS. Oh, like our old house, but we're tired.
Tapos
we benta that 10 billion properties. Oh my god, that's a dream of mine. That's a dream. And I will look back on this video and I may multi-million.
Like, ipopost, wala kayong YouTube channel?
Makikita yung mga kabalis.
Hindi naman nila isa-search.
ano, name
Memories pa, memories.
Oo, pwede na natin balikan yun.
Tapos baka,
Walang tayo daan.
I will look back on this one and I will be a nurse someday and I will take care of you guys. And I will be a rich tita with a hot daddy billionaire husband. Oh, how about you? You're gonna be like what?
What?
Yes, I'm interviewing you.
I just want to be rich.
Yes, rich and healthy. Healthy and rich. Rich, rich, rich.
yung mini roses ko.
Asa?
And I'm become my
And there,
flight
one.
attendant. And
Once again.
ipapakasakay ko kayo sa aking magiging airplane.
Ito yung pantropiko.
The very, very old property.
Diyan pa sila nadulas dati.
May mga tao po.
Memories sa coding na talaga ako. Nahulog talaga po ako na. Bakit? Wala mo naman sila.
Uy, gold. Okay. Baho naman dito. Sobra naman sa baho. Hacienda. Bakit?
Ano yung Anita?
Ay!
Ba't walang problem?
Tudury! Zoom!
Sayang mo yung tiger ng
Uy! Don't be nice.
Don't noisy. Don't noise.
Don't make a noise. Yeah, that's the word. Ano ko ba dito? Dito ba?
Yeah, this is my trainers.
Ha? Dito na lang. Okay, let's go upstairs. All our players. Dito tayo.
Ako tahimik lang sa
Pisa. Kahit di. Ay, sorry na rin.
O, diba, Kevin? Ayan yung maingay. Maingay din ako
Bakit ang pangit kaya?
Dati nung ano naman tayo yung nilito doon. Ano, bakit yung Hanggang salyo.
Go home na. Go home, let's go.
Ano?
Now?
Now, right now.